We're about to meet the man himself.
Yes, it lights up. It lights up. I don't know.
She just bought it just now.
He bought it for me as a Christmas gift.
Hold the bottom.
I got the bottom.
Give me some room.
Oh, okay, there it is. It's a button on the side right there.
Right here. All right, now do we pull? Oh, we gotta pull the tag.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I thought it was like, I need it.
There.
That is so cool.
Is it just two?
Yeah.
Yes, it's just sweet.
Ready to see Mickey?
Yes.
I am. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Oh, and Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
Welcome everyone.
We're gonna go meet the man himself, right, Denise?
Welcome everyone. Right this way. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Where can I put my face?
Just right over here, right next to the
Okay.
Hey, Mickey.
Thank you.
Here.
She is such a huge fan. I guess I'm a fan too. I guess. Oh, well. Well, yeah.
Came a long way from Vancouver.
360.
Came a long way just to see Mickey.
You'll come right up over here.
Next to my husband, he's my love of my life.
Oh.
So it's okay if we have a picture, sir.
Please.
There we
Thank
go.
you.
You'll just stand right in front of her.
No, I just don't know which side.
Oh yeah, in the middle.
In the middle? Okay, I wasn't
There we
sure.
go.
Oh, I know it's the rope. I just didn't know which side. Like that.
This is our family. Her, me, and my camera.
1, 2, 3. Got it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mickey. You got a magical place here. I know.
Give you an air hug.
Air hugs.
Love you, Mickey. As we say in French, je t'aime. In French Canadian. Thanks again. Bye bye, Mickey.
Have a great one.
Me too. Oh, I stopped. Sorry.
Quite all right.
Thanks again. Have a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mickey.
Bye, guys.
Oh, I got my kisses. Okay, bye bye.
This is me here.
Yeah.
There you go. That was Mickey. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, all the way of Mickey. All right, stop there for a second and tell us, what do you think about seeing Mickey?
I got all choked up that I was trying not to cry. Because I'm so full. I'm so happy.
Get in there.
I don't know because I have good pictures. That's why I'm just so happy.
That's good. Let's go have our good Christmas day.
Yeah, we will.